calling all you painting contractors. If you want to add a revenue generating machine to your business and set your company apart from the rest, go to LeggariAcademy.com. You're going to learn over 11 coating systems and you're going to be completing projects just like this. All right, step number 5. All right, step number 5. Step number 5 is remove the railing, but this probably should have been step number 1. Come back around. Step number 5 is gonna wind up probably being address the sockets. I don't know, could be grinding. I'm just messing, dude. All right, ready?
No, I liked that. Keep going.
Final step, coat it with Leggari products, huh? Final step, guys, coat it